To transfer XRP from a Ledger Nano X to a Coinbase account, start by opening the Ledger Live app or website and clicking on the Account option from the left sidebar. From there, select your XRP account. You can use the search bar if you have multiple accounts. Once you've selected your XRP account, click on the Send button at the top of the screen. A window will open, where you'll need to paste the wallet address from your Coinbase account. To find this address, open the Coinbase app, click on the search icon, and search for XRP. Select XRP from the search results. Click on the Receive button, and copy the wallet address. Return to the Ledger Live app, paste the wallet address into the input bar, and click Continue. If a tag or memo is provided, paste it into the tag section. This is necessary if one is provided. Click Continue. Then enter the amount you want to transfer and click Continue again. Confirm the transfer details, ensuring the wallet address, amount, and network are correct on both the Ledger and Coinbase apps. Once confirmed, click Continue and complete the operation on your device to finalize the transfer. This involves clicking a button on your Ledger Nano X device. Your XRP will then be transferred from your Ledger Nano X to your Coinbase account.